Hi, I'm Daniel Boyce. I'm with Rogers Ford, and what we'd like to do is we'd like to invite you out here for Truck Month, so that way you can come out and take a look at some of these beautiful trucks that we have to offer and some of the great deals that we have going right now as well. This truck that I have right next to me, this is going to be the 2018 XLT. This is actually a new color for 2018. It's called Leadfoot Gray. This one is actually equipped with the Sport Appearance Package, and what that's going to give you is it's going to give you paint match bumpers, 18-inch aluminum wheels, and this one will even also have heated seats as well. Come and see us here at Rogers Ford to see how being family owned will make you Midland proud.